Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what we're going to be talking about is hoping that you guys might be able to help me with my computer. Why my RGB light isn't working on my graphics card. When I built the computer, the graphics card was working properly and everything. And then as soon as I downloaded the Aorus engine, I believe. If it's not, I'll put it on the description. As soon as I downloaded that, all of a sudden my RGB light for my graphics card decided to just shut off. All of a sudden, I didn't touch anything, but all of a sudden it shut off. And since then, I haven't been able to get my RGB light turned back on. Um, so that's why I'm making this video to troubleshoot and asking for you guys' opinion because I did contact Gigabyte regarding on this, and then I will show you guys all the process that I have done and all the programs I have so far, and hopefully you guys might be able to find out what's causing it, and hopefully I'll be able to get my GPU RGB light back on. Only light that I want to turn it on is just white. Right now I have the motherboard light turned on as white. So when I go into the Aorus engine, it recognized my GPU and my motherboard. But when I go into the color portion, only thing it shows is the motherboard. So when I can still like adjust the fan curve and temperature and see the GPU clocking and everything through Aorus engine, but I just can't get the RGB light back on. So hopefully you guys will be able to help me. I know the program that I used to record my computer screen, I didn't want to pay for it, and that's one of the reasons why there's a watermark on the top. If you guys know any programs that I can actually get the watermark to disappear or not have the watermark at all, that would be great. So now what I'm going to be doing is just turn on the computer. It is hooked up to power, so we'll just see, and hopefully it will just show that everything is working except the GPU RGB light. Okay, let's see. So I guess I can do a little bit of PC check now from the previous build. The things that I have changed is because I couldn't fit these Noctua, two of the Noctua fans, I decided to put it here and just took the Cooler Master fan that came with the CPU cooler off, and then I have the two Noctua slim fans down here that is pulling quite a bit of air. So when I first built this computer and plugged everything, as you were able to see from the um, computer build video, the Gigabyte logo on my GPU, so like my RTX 3070 Ti, the Gigabyte logo used to be lit up, and now since I downloaded the Aorus engine, that light all of a sudden just shut off. And since then, I still haven't been able to figure out how to turn that on. So what I did is, as you can see here, the Gigabyte, the Aorus engine, because this has the RGB 2.0, I believe. So I have read some reviews regarding on the RGB 2.0 and the Aorus engine, and apparently there are some problems. But as you can see, whenever I go into the LED control, only thing that you can actually see is my motherboard. So there is no recognition for my GPU. I really don't know why. So what I have done is I contacted the Gigabyte support, and what I have mentioned, like I explained everything that I have done. So like and what they have told me is what version of Aorus engine you have installed, and make sure the Windows 11 OS is fresh, clean installed, and do not attempt to uninstall current Aorus engine. Yeah, like all these things. And then, so what I have actually done is I have done exactly the same thing that they have told me to do, and it did not work. So what I did is I actually went into the Windows Device Manager and removed the card. What happens, it just kind of uninstall the GPU, and then your screen flashes for a second or two, and then you're kind of back to normal. And then I restarted my PC thinking it would fix the problem. That didn't fix the problem, so I actually uninstalled. I actually went into the support for this part, and what I did is I installed the NVIDIA driver and installed new one for it. And for here, I uninstall this and reinstall the Aorus engine with the current one. As you can see, it shows the GPU right here, but it doesn't actually get recognized on the LED control part, which I have no idea why. And also, let's see the monitoring part. Like, you can definitely see everything is working right now. So obviously the GPU is recognized through the motherboard, but just the lighting portion isn't working. So I thought it might be the driver that I have, so I did the new install here. And then I also did the studio driver. Well, I actually did this like a week ago. Looks like there's a new one for it. But even then, my GPU is still not well, my light is still not turning on. So if anybody know, or anybody had this problem and was able to figure it out, please let me know. Having a lot of problem here. I want to just be able to turn my GPU RGB light on. I have made this PC so there's like barely any RGB light because I'm not a huge fan of it. The RGB light that I want to turn on is actually just white color. So that's what I want to do. So if anybody have a solution for it, please let me know, and hopefully I can figure this out. And whenever I'm downloading a new driver for the GeForce Experience, I always do the custom installation to make sure I can perform a clean installation. And even with that, the GPU, the RGB light is still not working. So, like, really, I am getting frustrated with this RGB light. If there's anybody have an idea of how to fix this, please let me know. Make sure to like comment so I can read all the comment and see if any of the comments would help me be able to fix this problem.